Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we closed on last Friday. It's Monday now, so yeah, we bought it. We closed on it on Friday. It's a property on the west bank of Jefferson Parish, Avondale, sort of Wagamon area. So we purchased it from the homeowner who reached out to us. They'd owned it for a really long time. They had tenants in it actually. The tenant had been here for 15 years, so a really good tenant. But unfortunately that tenant had passed away, and she was getting sick, in the last couple of years, so they let the house go, and it was in pretty bad condition. So the owners didn't really want to sink a lot of more money into it. They had an SBA and a mortgage loan on it, so they had a high note, and they really couldn't afford to let it be vacant, spend the money to fix it up, to sell it, or to put another tenant in it. So they reached out to us, and we purchased it in as-is condition, all cash. We were able to close it in 2 weeks for them. They wanted to do a really fast transaction, which we did, because they're paying a note. They want to pay that note off. So look, we buy a house like this all the time. We got stuck right into this, right? So the guys are already working to turn it, but you can see the house needed a full paint. We're missing a stove and fridge. Obviously we're going to need to put that in. And yeah, look, the house just needs a full paint. We're going to be doing new floors on it as well. Yeah, we don't muck around. We're stuck straight into it. We're putting a wardrobe in there. One of the wardrobes has been taken out, so we need to put that back in. So yeah, look guys, if you have a house like this you're looking to sell, if you don't want to put in the work yourself, if you're happy just to sell it fast and move on, reach out to us. You can visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of frequently asked questions, information on that site, so check it out. Or give us a call. We're happy to chat. We'll give you advice. Even if we don't end up buying your property, we're happy just to sort of give you our thoughts and see what options you have. If we end up being a good option for you, fantastic. If we're not, we're more than happy just to help you and wish you the best with that as well. So look, reach out to us guys. Thanks very much, and have a great day.